This modern boutique home is one of the most beautiful houses here in Greenwoods Executive Village in Pasig. So tara, samahan niyo kami. Hi, I am RV and we're inside Greenwoods Executive Village in Pasig/Taytay area. So alam nyo na yun sa mga previous video namin. So this house stands on a 120 square meter lot area with a floor area of 315. Nandito tayo sa ating 2-car garage. Ayan. So there's a door there, mamaya pupuntahan natin. Pero mayroon ding pathway dito papunta sa ating amazing pool. Makikita nyo rin siya later. Itong multi-story house na to kasi have separate, multiple entry and exit points. Meron tayong main door, will show you later. Pero this one kasi meron tayong ground floor na bedroom for your elderly. So ito yung pinaka service door niya. So pagpasok, meron kang receiving area if you want to use this as your receiving area. And then, ito yung sliding door papunta sa ating amazing pool. Ang laki na itong pool na to. O, diba? Surprise! So napakaganda po nitong bahay na to. Ba't ko nasabing boutique house? Because very well crafted ang pagkakagawa. Even the interior design of the property was really well thought of. Etong pool natin, hindi lang siya basta dipping pool, as in talagang swimming pool na siya. The size of the pool is around 3x6, more or less 18 square meters. And then you have this shower area. Oh, diba? Na ang ganda pa ng accent wall mo. And then you have a lot of greeneries on your left side. Okay? Then, sa kabilang side naman tayo. On the other side, meron ka pang parang, ano ba tawag dito? Parang sit-down area, lounge area. If you're having a pool party or kung meron lang kayong, kumbaga, get-together with your friends, napakaganda nitong area na to. Diba? O, it's 2 p.m. in the afternoon. 2 p.m. na, hindi afternoon pa, di ba? Para lang sigurado. It's 2 p.m. Pero tingnan nyo po, hindi nakabilad yung ating pool. So, any time of the day, ang ganda mag-swimming dito. Kasi you have enough sunlight, enough natural air, pero hindi ka nakabilad, di ba? So, coming from the pool, there's also a door going to the first bedroom. Pero we'll use the proper door. Yan. Coming from the pool, ito yung kaninang pintuan natin, yung pinaka-access sa ating first floor. So, this is the ground floor bedroom. O, diba? The size of the bedroom is around 2x3 or mga ganon, mga 7 to 8 square meters. Not too big, but not too small. Perfect for an elderly room. Most likely, headboard would be here. Ayan, ganda ng headboard mo. Tsaka, kung mapapansin nyo, pinag-isipan talaga. Even the walls, even the lights. Ayan, may mga drop-down lights ka pa. You also have a very unique center lighting here. Diba? Ganda nito. And then, meron pa tayong sliding door going to the pool. Diba? So, ngayon, pag merong mga bisita at ayaw nyo namang nakikita yung bedroom, pwede naman maglagay ng curtain, syempre. For the ground floor bedroom, meron din tayong ensuite, toilet, and bath. But before that, ang ganda ng ating closet, di ba? Oh. Sobrang unique. Ang ganda nito. Diba parang yung sa mga, anong tawag dito? Parang ratan siya eh, no? O, yan, parang ratan. Tapos, hindi naman parang simbahan yung vibe, pero medyo ganun. Diba? Ganda. Oh, yun naman. Ang ganda po ng toilet and bath. Diba? Oh, ang ganda ng accent wall dito. This is color, medyo dark, on the darker side of green. You have brown, then you have a very nice mirror here. Magkabila po ang ating lighting. Yan, white, the rest are white, and then meron kayong gold hardware. O, diba? Ang ganda nito. Then you have, bisa. May naglinis siguro kanina. Ito, meron na siyang shower glass enclosure. The tiles that was used are gray. And then, meron kang, ano daw dito, different naman ang ginamit dito. Parang accent wall siya. The rest, gray sa buong CR. And then, may accent wall ka dito na merong niche. Napakaganda. You just have to open this up. Yan, may natural exhaust na po kayo. And of course, rain shower na rin to. Sa bagay, for the whole house talaga, you'll be amazed on how well the interior design was. So, yan, makikita po natin yan. Coming from the pool, meron tayong staircase papunta sa ating living and dining area. That's actually the second floor. Pero, we'll use the main door. Doon natin, ang ganda po ng main door natin. So, tara, tingnan natin. Ang katabi ng ating carport or two-car garage, meron tayong staff room. O, diba? Kasya dito kahit dalawa or double deck na single na double deck, and then meron din silang sariling toilet and bath. Maluwag yung toilet and bath nila, in fairness. O, diba? Kahit dalawang ating staff, helper, or angel, kung ano man tawag nyo. Yan. Before heading to the main door, there's another room here. Ito po ang ating storage area. So, under the staircase, napakaganda ng space na to kasi, alam mo yun, seamless pero naging useful. Nandito rin ang ating water pump. So, wala kayong magiging problem when it comes to water pressure even on the third floor. So, coming from the carport or car garage, ito yung ating pathway papunta sa main door. So, welcome to our second floor, technically. This is our main door. Ayan, ang ganda, oh, diba? Naka-embossed pa yung main door mo. Specially made for this house. Kung mapapansin nyo rin, stucco finish yung ating walls. So, very modern, very industrial. Ayan. Tapos, pagpasok mo, oh, diba? Ang ganda ng decorative lighting mo. Tapos, pwedeng nandito yung mga display or mga ano ba, mga pictures, family pictures, kung ano man yung hobby nyo, pwede dito. And then, coming from the foyer, andito tayo sa living room. Very high ceiling yung ating living area. Tapos, we have a sliding glass door. May sarili ring balcony ang ating living area. Luwag nito. Kung maglalagay kayo ng malaking couch dito, pwedeng dito yung TV, pwede rin dito yung TV. Most likely, this is the TV. Yan. Dito, and then dito yung pinaka-couch nyo. Yan. Okay. Ganda nito. Tsaka, ang main advantage or ang kagandahan with the setup of this house, parang multi-level siya. Hindi lang siya multi-story, multi-level din. Kasi, hindi marketing Hindi multi-level marketing. Multi-level kasi ito yung pinaka second floor. Nandito tayo sa living area. Pero bago tayo makarating ng dining, there are 2 steps paakyat. Mamaya makikita nyo. This is the balcony. Ganda ng walls ng balcony. Tara, tingnan nyo. Diba? Ang ganda ng walls ng balcony, oh. Yung buong bahay, ganito yung walls niya from the outside. So, sa labas pa lang, alam mo na it's different. It's very unique. Very boutique nga yung dating niya talaga. Para na nga siyang hotel eh, di ba? Pero it's a very nice house. Coming from our living room, meron tayong yung third step natin, this is the dining area, which can house, ayan, meron ka ng decorative lighting for your dining table. Siguro kahit mga 8-seater, 10-seater table can easily fit here. Diba? Ang kagandahan dito, kitchen, dining, living, pero magkakaiba ng perspective kasi mas mababa si living room kesa kay dining area. Pero connected pa rin kayo, walang walls. So, sobrang maluwag pa rin yung feel or vibe ng bahay. And then, of course, ang pinaka, ewan ko, sa akin, ito ang main event. Yung kitchen. Ang ganda ng kitchen. Buksan ko lang ilaw, O, diba? Napakaganda nito. Sabi nga ng mother-in-law ko, "Hi, Mama Dang." O, Jibo. Ang ganda po ng kitchen. You have a center island which you can do cooking videos if you want to or if you want to create content. Napakagandang area nito. Pero, coming from here, actually U-type yung natin, yung kitchen, tapos may center island. Yan. Makikita nyo naman, ganda. White, tapos gold yung hardware. Sobrang malinis ng pagkakagawa nito. Pati ko na-amaze no? Tapos, ang ganda rin ng ating, I think this is quartz. Quartz countertop, if I'm not mistaken. But I'll confirm it to you. Pero the look and the feel, it feels like quartz. And then, marami rin tayong open shelves. Yan, open shelves. May natural air coming from the outside. And then, ang ganda ng ating backsplash. Hindi na siya backsplash pala, sorry. Buong wall na. Instead na backsplash lang, binuo na nila. Ang ganda. Parang bricks na color white. After that, this is our cooktop and oven. O, di ba? Parang meron kang sariling chimenea or chimney. Kasyang-kasya ang 6 to probably 8. No, malamang mga 6 burner cooktop na may oven, dito yan. Tapos meron na rin tayong Whirlpool na exhaust dito. And then of course, there's another one for your coffee side, coffee nook, microwave oven, kung ano pa po yung paraphernalia sa inyong kitchen. Ito po yun, napakaganda. And then this side is your side-by-side ref. O, di ba? Malaki rin ito, side by side. So, even if you're a big family, let's say 7 to 8 people, napakalaki nito. Or if you're having guest pala. Sorry, this is a 4-bedroom house. So, medyo siksikan pag 7 to 8. Siguro pag family of 5, family of 6, sobrang perfect nito sa inyo. So, going back to the center island. Ay, sorry, hindi ko nabanggit. Yung color palette pala ng ating mga cabinets, parang teal, grayish blue yung dating niya or bluish gray. Tapos gold pa rin yung hardware niya. So from white, transition tayo ng parang grayish white and then grayish blue. Ganda. Pero yung hardware niya pare-parehong gold. So may synchronicity pa rin yung bahay. Kaya sabi ko sa inyo, sobrang pinag-isipan talaga yung interior design of the house. Kaya syempre, you have the sink dito, ganda. Bili mo dito, naghuhugas ka ng plato, nakikipagkwentuhan ka pa dun sa guest mo. Diba? Coming from the main kitchen, meron ka pang nook here. So, pwede actually dito yung coffee nook, kung gusto nyo lang. Alam mo yun, kung mahilig kayo. Pwede dito yon or pwede yung mga display. Then, this door leads to your service kitchen. Bawal pong tawaging dirty kitchen to. Sara ko lang Bawal po tawaging dirty kitchen kasi ang ganda. Ang ganda ng service kitchen niya. Meron na rin tayong cooktop, 2-burner cooktop, the sink and the faucet, and then a very nice grayish backsplash. And then, ang colorway natin for here, ano ba to? Parang ano, no? Parang beige, yes. Beige with the gold hardware. And then, meron din siyang exhaust. Ayan. And then, yung under natin, yung cabinets, gray din with gold hardware. So, hindi siya talaga dirty kitchen. Napakaganda niyang service kitchen. Ang ganda po nito. Tsaka concealed pa with the door, diba? So, sobrang panalo to guys. Mag-PM ka agad kayo sa amin. Mabilis mabibenta to. Side by side yung doors natin. Ayun, magkaiwalang side. This one naman is your powder room. Ooh, ganda. Para ka nasa hotel. O, diba? Parang ano, green. And then you have this parang wallpaper. Ano ba to? Parang rainforest yung dating niya. Ganda. And then that goes with the pastel green color. Ganda nito. And then you have this very nice decorative lighting magkabila ng mirror. Dito pa lang sasabihin ng guest nyo, yamanin. Ang ganda po. So, balikan lang natin. Meron kami hindi napakita sa inyo. Although all the cabinets are soft close. Yan. Siyempre, ang ganda ng cabinet. Dapat soft close siya. Pero, these two are very special. Diba? Oh. Sobrang lupit, diba? Oh. Ang ganda. Anong pwede ilagay dito? Kung ano pong gusto nyo ilagay, pwede. Or pwede rin yung oven. Pwede ba? Oh, kasya naman kung hindi malalaking oven. Pero, alam mo yun, hindi siya yung usual na drawer. Umaangat. Vertical doors. Ang galing ah. Para siyang Lamborghini. Naka-vertical doors ka. Oh, yun lang po. In-add ko lang. So, nakapatay pa yung ilaw. Buksan natin. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda ng ano. Ang ganda ng decorative lighting natin. So, this is the first bedroom on the third floor. This is technically the second bedroom. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda rin na ito. Wala na akong sinabing pangit eh, no? Di, totoo po. Ang ganda po nitong bahay na to. We've toured a lot of houses. Pero this one was really carefully interior design. Buksan ko lang po yung windows, ha? Medyo 2:00 po ng hapon eh. Yan, medyo mainit. Pero dahil malaking windows mo, pag binuksan mo, ganda ng pasok ng hangin. And then meron tayo syempre dito ang ating headboard. So kung mapapansin nyo, may arcing pa, di ba? Ang ganda ng accent wall natin. And then the WPC na wall natin dito. Ganda. Meron din tayong vanity area. Pwede kayo maglagay ng vanity mirror dito. And then yung kapareho po ng ating first bedroom na closet. Parang ang ganda eh, no? Parang ngayon na lang ulit nakakita ng ganito eh. Gold hardware, parang off-white na pastel. Ganda ng kulay. And then of course, meron na ring split type na AC na kasama. So, that's our second bedroom. Pero, sorry, meron pa pala. Meron tong sariling toilet and bath. En-suite toilet and bath tayo for the 4 bedrooms. Ayan. So, yung color palette for the toilet and bath, halos magkakapareho naman siya. So, very consistent with all throughout the property. So, this is our third bedroom. Pagpasok natin, the initial layout is the toilet and bath. Later, we'll check it. Oh, ito, ibang personality naman tong ano na to. Tong bedroom na to, tong third bedroom natin. Wala yung arc, pero meron ka pa rin design sa wall. The color is parang pastel na fuchsia pink. Ano, may mga Parang ganon, pero pastel colors po. Kaya napaka-ganda, napaka-modern. And then you have the drop-down, kumbaga parang side table light to pag sa gabi. Yung mga ayaw ng sobrang dilim, may mga side table na lamp, parang ganyan yun. And then kapareho din dun sa kabila, although sa kabila it's white. This one, very consistent with the walls, pastel colors. Naman yung pagkaka-paint sa kanya. Pastel fuchsia pink. O, di ba? Ganda nito. And then, meron ka rin nung kanina na tawag dyan? Vanity mirror. Galing. Vanity area. Yan yung BJ. Thank you for the assist. Kaya laging MVP yan eh. And then, of course, we have the ensuite toilet and bath. O, di ba? Ito medyo iba naman yung color palette niya. Iba yung ginamit na parang accent wall dito. Yung ganito, yung pinaka-tiles niya, pareho pala. Sorry. Pareho. Although this one, lighter green yung ginamit. And then, iba yung accent wall natin. Pero the rest are, alam mo yun, medyo pare-pareho naman. Kaya maganda rin. May mga subtle differences, pero kumbaga may continuity yung design. Before we head into the master bedroom, meron tayong study area dito or parang library. Diba? Pwede nyo na dyan ilagay yung mga collection of books nyo, whatever it is that you like. Pwede rin kayo maglagay ng couch dito. Diba? Dito pwede maglagay ng mirror or dito yung laptop nyo. At least meron pa rin parang office. Diba? Dito sa ating third floor. This is our master bedroom. Oh, diba? Ang ganda. Solid. Medyo parang barn yung pagkaka-design sa kanya. Kung medyo familiar kayo with the barn design. Kasi meron pa siyang seams, oh, yung... Pero ano yan? I think that's metal. Pero parang wood yung pinaka-paint na ginamit. So, napakaganda. And then, the decorative lighting, sobrang bagay niya dun sa ceiling. And of course, napakalaki ng ating lalagyanan ng bed. Kahit yung mga California king size bed, kasyang-kasya dito. Kumbaga, dito nyo ilalagay yung king size or California king size bed nyo. It comes with the split type AC also. So you have 4 AC included in this house. And then, on this side, napakaluwag po nito. Meron pa tayong balcony. Ang init. Sarap ng hangin dito, guys. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda dito. Sobrang mahangin. Pagdating dito sa loob lang, syempre medyo mainit. Pero, on the balcony, we're facing we're facing north. So, the house is facing north. So, wala siyang direct hit when it comes to sunrise or sunset. Maganda rin. May mga pros and cons din yan. So, this is the master's balcony. O, balik tayo sa loob, ha? O, pagbalik mo, meron ka pang parang fire, dito? Parang fire pit, di ba? Uso yan sa ibang bansa, yung merong fire pit. Pero pag dito ka sa Pilipinas naglagay niyan, ewan ko na lang sa'yo, sobrang init na dito sa atin. So, dito yung TV, most likely sa taas, kaya meron tayong power supply. Tapos kung mapapansin mo, ang ganda ng pagkaka-design nito. Ang ganda nito. This is one of the nicest master bedroom na nakita ko. Because of this, kasi kakaiba siya. So, there's a door on your right side. This is the walk-in closet. O, diba? The walk-in closet, not too big, pero at least nakikita doon, diba? So, maluwag pa rin siya. Although, pag nabitin kayo ng closet space, you can expand outside kasi napakalaki naman ng inyong master bedroom. So, walang toilet, no? Meron yan. Pero lang. Meron po tayo, syempre, master's toilet and bath. Master toilet and bath. Woo! O, diba? Ang ganda. Oh. So yung missing po kanina, biro lang. Meron po tayong master toilet and bath. Oh, so welcome to the master toilet and bath. Napakaganda. Although this one po, pare-pareho siya with the other. Very consistent siya with the other toilet and bath. Pero ang big difference dito, yung walls mo, white na merong ganito, may mga groove. So, napakaganda niya. And nagbumukha mas mataas yung ceiling kasi yung groove niya is vertical. And then, you have your shower here with the niche. And then, pwede isarado to. Kompleto na siya. Yan. And, syempre, ang ating paborito, ganda nito. Single lang. Pwede naman siguro pumasok sa loob. Pwede naman. Siyempre. Oh. Ang init lang, pero pangalawang house tour na namin na nakagamit kami ng bathtub. Oh, sa mga nagsasabi po na hindi pwedeng tawaging toilet and bath kapag walang bathtub. Ito po, toilet and bath na ha, may bathtub na yan. And then of course, the lavatory with napakamahal po ng bidet, gold. Quick recap lang tayo guys for this amazingly beautiful home here in Greenwoods Executive Village in Pasig/Taytay area. So the lot area for this property is 120 square meters with a floor area of 315. It has 4 bedrooms, 4.5 toilet and bath. It has 2 car garage and a big swimming pool downstairs. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa napakagandang dining area and of course your high ceiling living room. So the asking price for this property is just 26 million pesos. It's still negotiable and nag-iisa lang po ito na ganito kaganda ang interior design. So if you have more questions or if you want to see the property, please reach us on the numbers below. For our OFW subscribers, you can also reach us through Viber and WhatsApp. You can also follow us on our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and of course, subscribe to our YouTube channel para ma-notify po kayo on our next videos. Maraming salamat, God bless, and see you on the next one.